Need a new video here for Alex Tunes for Tuesday. I'm going to do a little Jerry Jeff Walker tune called Little Bird. You listen in the background, I think you can hear my birds singing. So they're going to sing for you this morning also. Little bird, come sit upon my windowsill. He sat there through the pouring rain as I watched that little bird upon my windowsill. I saw my thoughts of you go by again, and the picture of my face reflected on the pane. Is it tears or is it rain? I remember how we talked before we said goodbye. Too young to know the world outside our door. We laughed and said that love was free, like birds that fly the wind. Rain today made me think of you once more, and the picture of my face reflected on the pane. Is it tears or is it rain? I've no regrets about the past. I see how young we were when the world was love and time was but a thought. Well, many things go many ways and many times but once, till your life is past and your love is but a thought. And the picture of my face reflected on the pane. Is it tears or is it rain? As my thoughts go tumbling back, I wonder how you look, and I wonder if you've seen that little bird, and I wonder if he sat upon your windowsill, and I wonder if you'll ever hear these words. And the picture of my face reflected on the pane. Is it tears or is it rain? Is it tears or is it rain? Happy Tunes for Tuesday, everybody. Check me out on YouTube. Share this with all your friends. I'll see you next week.